is up, astronauts? My name is Mateo. I travel full-time in my 1999 Chevy Astro with my cat Lars. Welcome to Winter is Blue. If you guys enjoy this content, please consider subscribing. It really does help out. I've been camped at this beach spot for a few days now, and it's been absolutely amazing. Going to sleep to the sound of crashing waves is something that I never knew I needed in my life so frequently. It really has been helping with my anxiety and just overall mental health. It's been amazing. I spent a few days just on my own, taking walks along the beach, playing with Lars, and just enjoying life. And then after that, I actually met a few people. I met this girl named Erin who has been traveling in her four-door just on her own. She's heading north. And I also met this woman from Puerto Rico named Kenya, and she's traveling in her Ford Sprinter as well. And I actually ran back into, if you guys remember the vlog I did with Alyssa Vanilla, the guy that helped out and tried to help out the car before the tow truck got there, Mark. He's actually been coming here every day for the past few days. He's trying to catch a cod. So yeah, I've been hanging out with them, just talking in the morning, at night. It's been a really good time. I'm actually about to go cook some tacos for breakfast, so I'm super excited about that. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me today. I spent a few days not picking up the camera because I just wanted to, absorb all the energy that I was receiving. But I'm gonna bring you guys along today because I'm about to go make some food. It's gonna be really awesome, so let's get started. Yeah, I'm ready.
I want to take a picture of you doing this. It's so cool.
It's nice because I've been very alone. I've been out.
It's a good thing.
Yeah.
It's a good thing. I've had some tears myself.
Are you talking about the Dead concert?
Rise and shining, another day arriving, ultra light.
On ingredients right now. Don't judge. I don't have a cup, so I had to bring the whole thing out.
All the things I told you. Rise and shining. Rise and shine. Break me like tectonic lines, set adrift and make me all brand new. Tear the pages out my mind, make me blind and transfixed all in you.
All right.
I used to live with like literally all chefs.
Okay, I get it. You don't gotta hurt my feelings about it.
I've actually never even heard about red bell pepper before.
Well, I know you haven't. That's because you live with mediocre chefs. But now,
What's a red bell pepper?
you're gonna find out. It's a flavor explosion. That's what it is. I know. I've never heard of that. What is food? What's roasting?
Yeah.
The good stuff. Sound good? You better get on Overlander.
I am the I am the I am. My wings are expanding. I'm conquering flight. No foreign appendages. This is the legend that never to write. See what you sight. Reaching new heights. Moonwalking like Mike. We be like Titans whenever we touch. Heavens departed and folk ran amok. Running till Shakespeare. I ran out of luck. Loving requited. I'm looking for puck. Love is organic. It don't have to rhyme. My heart is a planet and yours is the same. Maybe we'll orbit each other in time. I don't know. Break me like tectonic lines, set adrift and make me all brand new. Drain me like your sacrament, blood to stain your lips, sweat hallelujah. Yeah.
I made you this for free, but you do have to let me record your reaction.
Oh God.
Is that fair?
I hate being filmed. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
You just eat your taco. How does it look?
It looks great. It smells great.
That was a great bite. Good?
Really good.
Really good. Okay. You guys heard it. Really good.
Apples pick me up and fix me. Take me off this breath apparatus. Wake me from my daydream. Breathe me in like your cigarello. Harsh but so addicting. Wrap me up like cold Sunday morning. Drink me like your coffee. Ooh.
It just looks like a Ghibli film. That's crazy.